FBI drops criminal probe into Kraken founder Jesse Powell. Jesse Powell is no longer under investigation for alleged hacking tied to a nonprofit he co-founded. Federal authorities have dropped a criminal investigation into Jesse Powell, co-founder and former CEO of cryptocurrency exchange Kraken. The FBI investigation, which began in 2023, was looking into the nonprofit Verge Center for the Arts allegations that Powell hacked its computer accounts and obstructed access to emails. His home was also searched when the investigation began and computers, laptops and cell phones were seized at the time, the New York Times reported last year. In April this year, federal prosecutors informed Powell's attorney Brandon Fox that the government had concluded its investigation into the Verge allegations, and it was not bringing criminal charges against Powell. Documents filed to the Superior Court of the state of California on Monday showed. Prosecutors also said at the time they would return the devices they had seized from Powell's home, Fox said. On June 9, his lawyer later received a letter from the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Northern District of California confirming that the federal government had closed this investigation on April 8 this year. Fox initially asked for this letter to be sent to Powell. The FBI's raid on my house was devastating both personally and professionally. It is still shocking that the raid was premised on Verge Center for the Arts' baseless accusations against me, Powell said in a statement. I will continue to pursue the appropriate legal remedies against those who created this disaster by making false statements to law enforcement, he added. The closure of the case comes as Kraken weighs the possibility of an initial public offering by the first quarter of 2026. Powell stepped down as the exchange's CEO in 2023 according to his LinkedIn, but remains on its board of directors. Kraken remains one of the largest U.S.-based crypto exchanges and has been the target of increased regulatory scrutiny in recent years. In 2023, it settled with the Securities and Exchange Commission and shut its U.S. staking services. Update, July 23, 1450 Universal Time, coordinated removes duplicated paragraph. Chamomile Shumba is a CoinDesk regulatory reporter based in the UK. Previously, Shumba interned at Business Insider and Bloomberg. Chamomile has featured in Harper's Bazaar, Red, the BBC, Black Ballad, Journalism.uk, Cryptopolitan.com and South West Londoner. Shumba studied politics, philosophy and economics as a combined degree at the University of East Anglia before doing a postgraduate degree in multimedia journalism. While she did her undergraduate degree, she had an award-winning radio show on making a difference. She does not currently hold value in any digital currencies or projects. AI Boost indicates a generative text tool, typically an AI chatbot, contributed to the article. In each and every case, the article was edited, fact-checked and published by a human. Read more about CoinDesk's AI policy.